Text, Beltone HearMax app, how to delete one or all favorites. Open the Beltone HearMax app. Logos. Text, Beltone. Download on the Apple App Store. Get it on Google Play. Smartphone interface. Text, pull down the handle below the top menu to access the program overview. In an animation, a hand drags program overview down from the top of the app on the smartphone. Text, tap Edit. The hand moves over and taps the edit icon at the bottom. A new screen opens. Text, tap the favorite you want to delete. The hand moves over a star icon with the text, Work, and taps it. The Work icon opens. Text, tap Delete. The hand moves to the trash icon at the bottom, text, Delete. The program overview screen. Text, to delete all your favorites, simply tap Delete Favorites at the bottom of the program overview after you tap Edit. The hand moves to the Delete Favorites trash icon at the bottom. A confirmation window opens, Delete all favorites? The hand selects Yes. Logo, Beltone. Text, learn more at www.beltone.com. Copyright 2017. Trademarks.